Large blue diamond bar plus line chart. Title, Input Layer Contribution Chart for DNN Model, ISO 21001 in Education Sector. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Explanation. This chart visualizes the input features, nodes, and their relative contribution, percent, in the deep learning model. Brain input layer. These are the key quality elements in the ISO 21001 framework and serve as input parameters to the DNN. Input layer node contribution, percent. Learner needs identification 85. Curriculum design 78. Faculty and staff management 90. Learning environment setup 82. Resource allocation 88. Teaching and learning delivery 92. Assessment and evaluation 95. Stakeholder communication 75. Support services 80. Compliance and regulatory requirements 87. Bar chart bars represent the individual contribution of each node. Chart increasing line, trend line, highlights the pattern or trend of contribution across the nodes. Artist palette vibrant colors help differentiate each quality dimension clearly. Large orange diamond result from DNN, output layer. This image represents the output layer of the DNN model after analyzing the input features. Receipt output layer explanation. The output layer likely shows predictive results such as overall quality score, institutional effectiveness, accreditation readiness, learning outcome success probability. The model uses the weighted input from the 10 ISO-based nodes to compute these results. The output helps management and stakeholders evaluate whether the educational institution meets quality standards and where improvements are needed.